Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Becoming Legendary YouTube channel. The entire purpose of this channel is to help you make more money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the like button. It helps out the algorithms on this video here. And subscribe to this channel with bell notifications if you want to be notified when I release more tips, training, and tutorials. It's going to help you make more money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. So in this video today, we're going to jump inside the computer, and really what I'm going to do is show you how you can make $10,000 or more with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program and free traffic. We're going to use YouTube and Facebook groups. So super simple strategy here. Now, as we jump inside the computer, you're going to see I just got started promoting this. That's why I just started this channel. It's kind of like I'm going to go through the process of promoting this and kind of chronicle my journey. That way you can get some inside tips and tricks. I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2012, so I have a few good ideas for you here. You see, I've only made $8,000 so far, just over $8,000. But guys, what I've done is I've gone to the leaderboard here of Legendary Marketer in the back office. And if we take a look at this here, we're going to take a look at all these big names up here, Nathan, Mark, Jay. What I did is I went into their systems and kind of reverse engineered everything they're doing. I see what they're doing. I see how they're driving traffic. I see where they're sending it to, how they're following up. And really, I've reverse engineered or funnel hacked them, if you will. So we know what to do. We're not copying directly, but we're going to model our Legendary Marketer affiliate business after the big boys here. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So let's go ahead and go over to this little drawing app here. I'm going to switch out my mouse with my pen. And what we're going to do is just kind of draw this out. That way you get a clear understanding of what you need to do. Maybe. There we go. All right. So the cool thing about the Legendary Marketer affiliate program is it's pretty straightforward and simple because they have a lot of great stuff. Legendary Marketer, if you're not familiar, has great video sales letters that converts the traffic for you. And they have great back-end offers. They have a great value ladder, meaning you get people in on the Tripwire offer, the low-ticket item, which is pretty easy to do even as a beginner. And then Legendary Marketer comes in, sells them the high-ticket stuff, but you get the commissions, right? So really, really cool stuff there. Super simple, super straightforward. Once you build out the system, it's really all about driving traffic, and that's what we're going to talk about. So over here, let's start. Let's make our website. Our website's going to be blue, okay? So our website is going to be a 2-page website, okay? This is going to be page 1 right here, and this is going to be page 2 right here, right? This is the only thing that we need to build. And if you're not sure what these 1 and 2 pages are, you can do one of 2 things. Go to my15daychallenge.com. Which is in the link in the description below. You can go through that and check out my 2 pages, or I'll also link another video on this channel that breaks down these 2 pages for you. That way you know exactly what you need to do in order to get your business up and running. All right, so anyways, so you got page 1 and page 2. So page 1 is going to be where you send all of your traffic, and it doesn't matter how you get traffic. You can buy Facebook ads, you can create YouTube videos, you can make a Facebook group. And I'll talk a little bit more about what you're going to want to do with your videos in your Facebook group in just a second. But bottom line is all the traffic goes to the home page here. Now this home page is going to have a little bit of incentive. There could be like a little freebie on here, like a PDF or an ebook, or it can just be curiosity. Like, hey, check out this opportunity to earn and learn affiliate marketing. Either way, the bottom line what this has is this has a little button on here, and when people click on this button, that's going to capture their email. Okay, here's the main purpose of page 1. It's the lead capture page. It's the squeeze page. It's the opt-in page, right? So after they enter their email here, either out of curiosity to see the opportunity or to get the freebie, what's going to happen here is we are automatically going to drop them into our autoresponder, and this is where we can then follow up with them via email, okay? And we'll talk more about this in just a second. But immediately after they enter their email, we capture their email address. They're going to be forwarded over to, let's do purple, page 2 of our website. And once again, our website's a 2-page website. Now over here, what this website is this website has a video and another button. Okay. Now this video right here is going to be our little introduction, and page 2 is the bridge page. So really what this is this is a bridge from our traffic and our website over to the affiliate offer, which in this case is Legendary Marketer. Okay, this strategy will work with a lot of different affiliate programs, but I'm talking specifically about Legendary Marketer because this is the Becoming Legendary channel. We'll talk more about that in just a second. But on this video, it's just going to be a 2-minute video. You can just shoot it selfie style if you want with your phone. Just basically saying, hey, thank you so much for grabbing the free gift or taking advantage of this opportunity. Once again, my name is Brian, and I want to introduce you to Dave Sharp and Legendary Marketer. It's a great program, so on and so forth. Just kind of talk it up a little bit. If you want to know more, go ahead and click on the button and go check out a free presentation from Dave, right? So they're going to be like, oh, yeah, that sounds cool. We're going to go check it out. So they're going to click on that button and go over to the Legendary Marketer video sales letter, which we'll talk about that in a second. We'll make that website green because that's where the money comes from, right? This is going to be a buy button down here. We'll talk more about that in a second. So the bridge page, the way this works is very simple. So let's take a look at the psychology of this. So right now you have traffic came in. They're like, okay, cool. I'm interested in affiliate marketing. They came to your website and they got the freebie that's related to affiliate marketing, or they have the curiosity. Either way, at this point in time, okay, they've entered their email and got to page 2. They've already made a micro commitment. And what I mean by that is they entered their email. Even though that doesn't seem like much, it's a micro commitment, and micro commitments can add up to make bigger commitments. And what I mean by that is if you say, hey man, can I have $100? You're going to be like, hell no, go, get out of here. But if I say, hey man, can I borrow a quarter to get a gumball? You're gonna be like, yeah, sure. And then it'd be like, oh man, you know what? Gumballs are 50 cents. Can I borrow 50 cents? You're gonna be like, yeah, of course, right? So then I'll be like, well, let's go get some lunch. What do you say? Cool. Oh, I don't have any money. Will you pay me? Oh, sure, why not, right? So eventually, you can kind of work your way up by a series of micro commitments, right? Now that's maybe not the best example, but that's kind of how the process works. So by the time the person has entered their email address, they've made a certain commitment to affiliate marketing. They've made a micro commitment to learning more about this opportunity. Well, then after they watch your video, they are interested. So right here at this point, when we're sending them over to the video sales letter, 2 things are happening. A, they've already committed, and once people already commit to something, they don't want to. They want to see it through in the sense that they don't want to say they were wrong about an opportunity. They're like, well, it's like a sunk cost, if you will. I've already invested time, right, into this, so I may as well go check it out. I'm not doing anything else. Plus, they're thinking about Legendary Marketer right now because you just introduced them to Legendary Marketer. So at this point in time, we have their attention and we have that commitment. No other time in history are they going to be more likely to convert than right here, right? Because all stars are lining up. We have their attention, which is hard to come by because 45 seconds from now, they're going to be thinking about something else, and they're already committed to the process. So we send them over here to the video sales letter, which is using our affiliate link, of course, our Legendary Marketer affiliate link. Over here, they're going to see the video sales letter that sells them on the Legendary Marketer program. They're going to be like, cool, that's awesome. How much? Only $7. Perfect. I'll buy that. Now they're tripwired. They're into the system. On the back end here, the sales team's going to come through and they're going to keep following up with other emails, and they're going to get on the phone with them. Ooh, let's see if I can draw an old school phone. No, it's not a good old school phone at all. Some people probably don't even know what an old school phone is. All right, so anyways, they're going to get on the phone with them and try to sell them more stuff, and that's going to make you more money. So yeah, you earned a little bit from the upfront $7 opt-in, but they're going to add a bunch more stuff, hopefully, in the long run. But let's talk about these other emails down here. So once again, I said they're pretty likely to be interested right now, but still, this is just the first go around. This might be their first introduction to Legendary Marketer. People just don't buy in the first go around. Maybe 2% at best are going to buy. So that means for every 100 people you send into here, 2 people are going to buy. But what you're going to do is you're going to follow up with them. On the next day, you're going to send them an email and you're going to talk about Legendary Marketer, and you're going to send them to the sales letter. And you're just going to keep doing this, right? So the emails here, what you want to do is this is very key here. This is a little bit different than you might anticipate, but these emails here, like your automated email sequence. Whoa, I got way off track there. Your automated email sequence here. The main purpose of this is to give them the confidence that they can make money with Legendary Marketer Program, because here's what you need to know. People doubt themselves more than they doubt you, right? Like, you can be over here telling them, hey, I got a great opportunity for you. I just started promoting it. I've made $8,000 with it. Don't lie if you haven't, don't say that. But in my case, I've made just over $8,000 with it. It's super friendly. It's beginner friendly. I've been affiliate marketing for 10 years, and this is the best program I've ever promoted, and so on and so forth. And I could say all those things, and you're going to be like, yeah, that's great for you. But you're going to be like, but I can't do it, right? So that's what these emails are all about, letting them know that any beginner can do it. You can do it. Like, you got to give them the confidence. You got to empower them to make the positive change in their life by going to Legendary Marketer. So that's what the follow-up series is. So now this whole system is set up. The automated emails, the bridge page, and then, of course, everything else is handled over here by Legendary Marketer. But what we still need is we still need the traffic. Luckily, once this is all set up, all we need to focus on is the traffic. So we can look at YouTube for traffic. We can look at Facebook for traffic. We can go to different forums. You can use like Medium, or one that I really like is question and answer site, Quora.com. Quora. The way I actually like to use Quora as kind of a side note is I like to create the YouTube videos first, and then I like to use Quora to promote YouTube videos instead of direct linking to my opt-in page, because this strategy right here can get you banned. This strategy here can help you grow your YouTube channel. And when you grow your YouTube channel and you seed it, especially if it's in the beginning, this can start growing faster. And if YouTube takes off, it's like to the moon, baby. All right, but anyways, all you're going to do in YouTube and Facebook group here is you are going to, on YouTube, create videos. On Facebook, you're going to create your own Facebook group. So we'll start here. On Facebook, what you're going to do is you are going to create a group that attracts people who would be interested in this type of offer, right? So you could create a group for affiliate marketing beginners, or a group for people who want to start their side hustle, or a group for people who want to stay at home job, or people who are stay-at-home moms but want to work from home and make money online. Anything like that. Just go on to Facebook, search it, get some inspiration, and that's what you want to do. Then you just want to engage in that group every single day and get other people to engage. You're not teaching anything in here. You're just getting people to engage, ask questions, create polls, post memes, whatever. Get people liking in this group, because what happens here is the more active this group is, the more Facebook is likely to suggest this group to other people out in the Facebook atmosphere universe that are interested in the same type of thing, like-minded people, right? So if people are really active in here, Facebook's going to be like, cool, this is a good group. We want people active in groups, because the more active they are in groups, the more time they spend on Facebook, the more money we make as Facebook. So if you get people really active, even if they're just liking memes and answering questions, then Facebook's going to be like, cool, let's introduce this group to more people just like the people that are in it. So Facebook, you're going to hack Facebook's algorithm to give you free traffic, and then just put a pinned post in your group that tells people about your opportunity over here, and once again sends traffic to the bridge page, or the first page, the opt-in page, right? Over here on YouTube, this is, just model the people who are doing the best, right? All you're going to do is create videos that attract people who are likely interested in this. So create videos, the 7 best affiliate programs, the best way to make money from home, 3 stay-at-home jobs that you can start today, how to become an affiliate marketer without a lot of money, right? All of these videos, just research them, learn, and then create these videos, and then always just give a call to action. Hey, check out this deal right here. So that's it, guys. Do this, rinse and repeat. After you get your system set up, you only have to worry about this part over here. This is how you eventually make a bunch of money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Once again, I'll show you the 2-page website that that way you know exactly what it looks like, not just scribbles. And if you want to check out the 15-day challenge and learn more about this program and see how you can get started with the Business Builder Challenge, I'll go ahead and post a link to my15daychallenge.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to know more about making money with Legendary Marketer. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.